Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Rafhan custard. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 liter of milk, Rafhan custard powder, and sugar. Make sure you also have a saucepan, a whisk, and your preferred serving bowls. Precise measurements are key to achieving that perfect, creamy texture, so have your measuring tools ready. Now let's prepare the custard base. Take about 4 to 6 tablespoons of Rafhan custard powder and dissolve it in 1 cup of cold milk. It's important to stir this mixture very well until it's completely smooth. This step prevents any lumps from forming later, which is crucial for a silky, consistent custard. Next, heat the remaining milk and sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it comes to a boil. Once boiling, slowly pour in your prepared custard mixture. Remember to stir continuously with a whisk as you add it to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Continue cooking for approximately 5 minutes, or until the custard thickens to your desired consistency. Once your custard has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the hot custard into your serving dishes. Let it cool down to room temperature before placing it in the refrigerator. For the best taste and texture, chill your Rafhan custard for at least 2 hours. Then, it's ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.